Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Dynabook Portege X30L-J and what's inside of it. To open this device, you have to undo 13 Phillips head screws. After that, just lift the bottom panel starting from the back. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. Inside, we see a 53 watt-hours battery pack. On their webpage, Dynabook offers configurations with none, 8 or 16 GB of soldered memory. Additionally, there is one SODIMM slot for further expansion. As for the storage, there is one M.2 PCIe X4 slot. Interestingly, the cooling comprises 2 heat pipes, a medium-sized heatsink, and a fan. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.